Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to fix if you are not able to adjust the brightness of your laptop or desktop in Windows 10 operating system, or you are not able to increase or decrease the brightness. In this video, let's fix the issue. First, update your graphic driver. For this, right click on your desktop and then click this display settings and scroll down and click on this option advanced display settings. After that, click on this option displayed adapted properties for display. Now you will see this kind of window, and this is my display driver. Click on this properties, and after that click on second tab driver. Now if this option is available for you, rollback driver, check with this option, install the previously installed driver. In most cases, this will fix the error. But if this option is grayed out or this option is not available for you, click on this option, update driver. Then click on this option, search automatically. And if you get this kind of result, the best driver for your device are already installed. Click this close, and then you have to browse manually. Click this browse my computer for drivers, then click this let me pick a list. Then here you will find a list of drivers in your operating system. Click this latest version, and please note down, don't click this Microsoft basic display adapter. Select for Intel HD graphic driver having the latest version. Click this and then next. After updating the display driver, click on this second tab, monitor, and now here you will get the details of your monitor, but in my system, this option is grayed out. I'm not able to open the properties, so what I will do, I will open device manager. So right click on this Windows icon and click this device manager. You will see this kind of window, and these are all the drivers which are installed in your system. So click on this option monitor here, expand monitors, and double click it, generic PNP monitor. Click this driver this is the monitor driver in my system, and click this update driver. Okay, like this. After updating your display driver and your monitor driver, the final thing you have to do is to update your operating system as well. So click on this Windows icon and then settings. After that, click on this update and security, and then click on this option check for updates. So the point is update your operating system as well. So these are the 3 steps you can try, and after updating your operating system, restart your system, and this will fix the issue. Your brightness issue on Windows 10. This is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly like. And if you have any problem, kindly comment down. I will try to make a video on it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.